Anya she cry the fuel jam 14 cities. And rich here in 18 cities. And you sit here, you take pride. Now they also better Iran there. Any be an no could become me by Iran for 2 or moto and the Sham Amasama.
I was for Mamuna Makwaba at the Bagan and St0p. So, Bomber disobey like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no what notification there next time. Videos of this nature, but also submit to my cabin, also to match the watching. I said the money I'm from Mr. President. Comment section from Mr. President and Majors. We were from Mr. President and Majors. Then commodity a year Adomako baafi ne beka no the NPP Adomako baafi. Na say ka year Adomako baafi asem a e din di campaign first and what is the campaign first next person. Obi me say or the communication be me on me say ya fi woni nyina hi communication lord Adomako baafi no. Why na dey ni bi obusia? These are the things we expect to see from the new patriotic party as a party that wants to regain power. Oko UTV na say na kushia NDC communicators. And I'm say UTV they call the allegedly omo journalists from you on mom do NDC for. Ntino we MP na kushia omo wo share NDC from you. Ese share NDC communicator kan ho. No NDC from me ensa na e pe so ho. Na wan fa ncha wo mo. Or yeah, justice to them back to back. You see, it's high time we need these people, right, to come and lead the front line of our communication. Marco Sabaji Boyjuma, Adomako Befisu Boyjuma, oh, my favorite person, oh, Muchesu Boyjuma, so that. No, we are all going to do it together. And the way you are with a pressing journalist, they come, not pressing NDC communicators in the come. I feel the propaganda and so on the not to Zoom. And they say, well, you're more from, or you're more from. If a near menu can say, petrol boko and ekosro. A near menu can say, diesel boko and ekosro. A near menu can say, dollar call from nouns and reflect where your economy. A near menu can say, Bank of Ghana, Cronwork a same quan or mobile, a cack a same quan or mobile. You cannot be catch and say, Bank of Ghana is not an institution, it in your profit. It is an institution in your profit, an institution here about a car. If it's not meant for profit, then it should not be made for losses. By a car, and this for instance, Sebi, or one person in your crabber madrid, Sebi, or one person bessuya the intino. Now, name is for them, we are seeing now, open political party, or more members, or more followers, and more mobile power, a NDC for. Then NDC for the era rollers, Ecosiomo Kumase, and maybe a trim, one man or Tiasia. Would you matter in English, and they were there and they were clapping for him. Share. NDC for. Oh, you know what can I simple? A political party that their leaders would use English language just to intimidate and insult them, and yet they wouldn't see anything wrong with it. Rather, they would rather give them applause for insulting them. Such a political party. Hey, mistake. Jam from Swakasepa. Me say open political party. Omo followers and who mobile power we asa NDC. Who can they will come after me? I don't care if you come. Who will be the matter me attendance? Yes, say wo to afroma, unsura teche. Ya wo to afroma, unsura teche. It's more the temba me impusume. Political party, you do matem kana mo bo mo sem mo for fans. They don't even understand. It's no man ko boni Ghana na mo enka e ka mo kono mo fa ho. Mo ntiase. They wouldn't even know how to communicate it. Oma is zombies no. You program mo say oh no.
Anya she cry the fuel jam 14 cities. And rich here in 18 cities. And you sit here, you take pride. Now they also better Iran there. And you be an no could become me by Iran for 2 or moto and the Sham Amasamai. And into accusers of their brethren. Animal, and Swanamo cano, Mokasaya test about Mabemuntia same. And the reality, and you sit here justifying that. Do you know the prices of commodities? You talk about free SHS? Yeah, ya dwene ye say ya ma obi ban tra fie ntia the double track most of the 90 days esi edu nketia ne John Mama his excellency ennam ba ye mo endorse into what stage mo gina masa man se mo ba mo discuss be headmasters intem ya beto atwaponche o kai John Mama no ade kai his excellency and then the worst of it please and you people can manipulate images to make black look white and exactly that is what you are depicting over here odi no eto ntan ya obaima ade ba ko a Hezaya Misiri you are talking about appointees yen ya ba ni pa fire no sika na edutu omuka no momu de ye 5 times more so ebisi da and the NPP ni Rollins any Atamels any man manifest them ni nyina no na gan wiase nyina no baby ambassador no see yi deputy se best 5 and every ambassador robia no body akoka we are bringing the list na Ghana for be nuye ho e wo de makoye enti appointment crowd dem call the least said about that the better so dia no eto nche akwa bia oye biology na oko school na yeso oko akoye odisen okoye no wasua bed into okoye ne bed na nto ene tree to ye into olebu no was so nyasa ene bu akotrim
bed posi tree so
enti asam no buru no so nti no oya de ne dua besi wo de anoma akosi so ebi ni na sem yo but one thing I many beje no ho say o say free UP a time can for reatam ko a me danya me ase say nne no MPP wono wabo yabaso but one thing is say kufu okono na mo nipa 9 na akodem akufu ado ko mo nipa 8 ena na akodem ye mutimi fa nipa bi anto mu da enti wo anka south ya you have given credence to our honesty they told me no ba hima ball cry ye ba ye free first half ya ko second half and it is said the name dey di ka bae onu mpo de ya prosecute no enti nke bisu anu ma na ato a ebene adan ye mfa no ma kan oforiata ye say yesusu say meni amene nyina ye fra himfie onu kromfu ekuta no fasika koma katamatofo ajache oba ba sia osimadi eni atia he sees nothing na wo betra be ka say bible mu asem fedifo enso so bible ka ho asem enne o former finance minister kan ofori ata onim ni di papa na o shata di go obo nsam djuma die ba so when you obi ototo nipa no when you the accuser of the brethren enu nti na modern sam to ba omia so enne no mu amonsa be hwe mu so no hotel enne mo senya de dia biem enne mo senya de dia biem enti the exact description na wo ma no o ti ase na hanya mwanwa look your former professor University of Ghana, no School of Communications. Professor PVA answer. No a columnist, Emma Chronicle. Now, Nasembi Okai was say NDC. They was say NDC knows how to manipulate images and events to make black look white and the mediocre gandus. Now they know one more time na yen ba 2000. One falsified document they call MFC sika kama ye bo kakofo ne betua ye. Enti na ogidi. Now there is a clear mismatch between what they are portraying. Yes, the city shows signs of appreciation against major currencies. Macroeconomic indicators suggest relative stabilization. Official narratives point to economic recovery and discipline. In spite of that, let us just oppose it. Food prices continue to go on. And now the catchers are more cotton is saying, Mobile ya na mufa 22 million of Ghana cedis na mukoto to Jimmy buy. And the Ghana kwa for more yan top. And the cashew for abo amuso. And you sit here, they me then say, you TV go bebia, ebiadifo mo amwo kanhye, mo makola, mo 18 mo kajetia, mo dum, ya mo tobie no, abrante ense de ma bafom. Anya hwe cry the fuel jam 14 cedis. Enrich here nam 18 cedis, and you sit here, you take pride. Na dia wo so beka Iran there. Eni ebia na no kro because me by Iran for tu omoto ye lehia me amasaman. Eni nti no accusers of their brethren animo esima na mo ka no mo kasa ya tese mo maba mu nti ya same and abetomo the reality and you sit here justifying that. Do you know the prices of commodities? You talk about free SHS yen ya ba ya dwini ye say yen ma obi ban trafie nti the double track most of the 90 days esi edu nketia ne John Mama his excellency and na mo ba ye mo endorse into what stage mo gina masa man se mo ba mo discuss be headmasters in term ya beto atwaponche o kai John Mama no ade kai his excellency and then the worst of it please and you people can manipulate images to make black look white And exactly that is what we are depicting over here. Odi no eto nchen ya obaima ade ba ko a Hezaya misiri. You are talking about appointees. Yen ye ba ni pa e no. Sika na e tu omuka no. Momu de ye 5 times. More so ebisi da. And the NPP ni Rollins any Atamels any man manifest them ni nyina no. Na gan wiase nyina no. Baby ambassador no. Si yi deputy se be 5. And every ambassador Robia no body akoka. We are bringing the list. Na Ghana for be nuya hu e wo de makoye. Enti appointment crowd dem call. The least said about that the better. So there no etu nche 24-hour economy. Oba hima 24-hour economy. Omo manifesto ni. Na kai bibia wie. Formula no de to honom. Formula na de to honom. I will pay 22 of NDC's manifesto. And I quote. Pay 22. Any. What say? 24-hour economy pay 22.2.1. 24-hour economy policy. Same job, 3 shifts, 3 people. In the end, then the fair now better say. Bemen since swim or hamutia by a free SHS started. I'm Yashi Crano. I many peppy and uncle Munyabi. Now over that me, I can say, we say, Winia.
I'm a tar dear. Every 10 cities. Nasi Siano. A year. And to move back, it should be about 10 points. 10 pesos.
10 pesos.
It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cities. 2
years ago, now me turn 8 cities. Then me turn 12 cities. Meanwhile, so no. Yet your money, your dollar,
I am based on the analogy. Say the rate at which Niama increasing. Say me call 2024 23%. And you know, if a Niama be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means say a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you Niama ye digina so me de to Niama munyina bafom. What is the basis?
That's the basic thing.
Say I was idea where you tum petrol ye the lorry fare etwa de me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare etwa de. Because nipa ne say Niama no ye no. So kwa fa de kwa guni shop odi gu kam. Car na odi gu no car ni to petrol. It was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fare mu. And then yen to petrol mu yen esokrati.
That's right.
Me boa. It is a me koto pure water. Me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation one your top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 now inflation nam 23% not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day na me to no crano na me to pure water a bag back 8 cedis na say nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis and 15 cedis about 11 petrol no ate
about 2 cities a free.
Yes, inflation no at by 20%
point.
Let's still here 2 pure water anymore 12 cities here. What is the basis of money to Saudi Manum? Still not PURC4 ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say young to water bill mo, young to light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so and they increase light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jinaso. Anyone say your money in our form. It is also for to start this question. Well, we stand out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. Not ask out of ignorance.
Me patcho man ka say ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance. Me say man ka say me on my dia me can say me say my men some na papa na some na can. That's what both people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone now can, and just say, and your mabo and cosru.
But the
can want it, or my bunny can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation above for ma, and can the rate at what things will be increasing, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can be cost like a Sankabia. It has also a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec. Son of Moka said the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana Omo. Yahweh, Yaw. Dear me, Omaka, me say. And I two Amanda make her say a buying say what the inflation about this number. And now you say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, me boy. Me come catch say a baby or maybe operating under single digit piano or more base rate so a cost single digit, me boy. And now say about me can say petrol above for me. Abano dia you trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go forward there? What you say? And I know asema can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from
anya aba no de.
Oh, until the making. Me say, so they buy be all spoke against say. I was so no mushia. I'm no mushia, but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa. Nene man from kaka. Yes, I don't. Yes, but it's a Kenya bono eba from but